Good morning, Year 3. For maths today, we are carrying on with capacity. Today we are going to be converting volume. So we're going to do our anchor skill, we'll look at the words, and then you've got your challenges, okay? So our word wall today, I have added a few extra words. I've added volume, milliliter, and litre. You can have 5 dojos if you can let me or Mrs. Edwards know the meaning or the definitions of those new words on there, okay? So for our anchor skill today, I want to know what is the capacity and what is the volume for each of these containers, okay? So you need to tell me how much it can hold and how much it is holding. So pause the video and do that now for me. Okay, so this top container, the capacity is 12 milliliters and the volume is 9 milliliters. Well done if you got those correct. And then for the bottom one, your capacity is 24 milliliters and the volume is 8 milliliters. Well done if you got those correct. So today, here are your starting point challenges. So we are learning to convert between meters and milliliters and vice versa, okay? So my top tips again are the same as yesterday. Volume is how much is in a container and the capacity is the amount the container can hold. Okay, and we know that 1000 milliliters is 1 litre. And here is that slide again, just in case you get a little bit stuck with your work. You can come back to this part of the video and pause it and read about what capacity is and what volume is to help you. Okay then, so our guided part today. I've got this pot and this is how much I can get in it, okay? That's its capacity. How many litres and milliliters can fit inside this pot? So we need to have a look, and it is a little bit small, so I'm going to make it a bit bigger. So the capacity of this container here, this first one, is 1 litre, and that is where it is up to. So we have got 1 litre. So we can pop here 1 litre. This one is exactly the same. It's got a capacity of 1 litre, but the volume is a lot smaller. So the volume of this one, because it's going in increments of 100 millilitres, is 300 millilitres. So I know that the capacity of the pot is 1 litre and 300 millilitres. I want you to have a go at the barrel yourself, so pause the video now and have a go. So remember, you're adding up to let me know how much will fit inside this barrel, okay? Well done for having a go at that. So let's see if you were right. The barrel's capacity. So I know that these are all 1 litre in capacity and the volume is also 1 litre. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 litres. Okay, so I've got 5 litres. This one isn't quite a litre because the volume is not all the way up to the top. And again, they're in 100 ml increments. So it's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 millilitres. So the barrel will hold 5 litres and 600 millilitres. I want you to have a go at this one yourself, okay? So the capacity of this fishbowl is 8 litres and 750 millilitres. Hannah pours 5 litres out of the bowl. Show how much water is left on the measuring jugs. Okay, so I want you to have a go at that and then unpause the video and I will explain how you should have done it. Okay, so we know that there was 8 litres and 750 millilitres to start. So 8 litres, 750 millilitres. And we need to take away 5 litres because that's what she pours out of the bowl. So 8 take away 5 well, it's 8 litres, sorry, and 750 millilitres. Now, we don't need to touch the millilitres because there are no millilitres attached to this 5 litres. So it will be 3 litres and 750 millilitres. So that's how much you need to show in these jugs. So you could have drawn the jugs out to help you, okay? So I'm going to show you 3 litres. So this is 1 litre. So this jug here is full up because there's 1 litre, okay? Same with this one, which makes me at 2 litres, 3 litres. Now if I fill this one up, I'm at 4 litres, but I haven't got 4 litres, have I? I've only got 3 litres. So I've done that part now, so I can cross it out with my highlighter. And then all I've got left is 750 millilitres. So I need to fill this jug up to 750 millilitres. Now I need to work out the increment, don't I? So I can see that it's going up in 200s, but there's lines in between. So it's actually going up in 100s, okay? So here's 600. So this means this line here is 700. So it's going to be between this little line and the 800 mil line. So it is going to be, and I'm going to do it with a straight line so you can see, in between the two, and it will be there. That is where it will go up to, okay? So between 700 and 800 is your 750 mil. So that is how much the jugs are full with the water left from the fishbowl. Okay, so my top tip is at the top of this page. 1000 millilitres equals 1 litre, and we're going to now convert these measurements. So I've got 2000 millilitres, but I want to know what that is in litres and millilitres, okay? So if I know that 1000 millilitres is 1 litre, I know that 2000 millilitres becomes 2 litres. Therefore, 6000 millilitres will become 6 litres. This one at the bottom is a little bit trickier. 1200 millilitres. So the number in the thousands is 1000, so that must mean there's 1 litre. But there's some extra because there's a bit more than 1 litre and not quite 2 litres. So as you can see, you've got this 200 here. Okay, so that is your millilitres. So you have got 1 litre and 200 millilitres. Okay, so that's how to do millilitres to litres. And then you could have it the other way round. So 1 litre and 200 millilitres. Well, we know that 1 litre equals 1000 millilitres. So it's going to be 1200 millilitres. You just squash them together, okay? So then you've got 5 in your thousands column and 300 left to add to it, 5300. And then the same again, 4 litres, 700 millilitres. Okay, that's brilliant, well done. Okay, so for your bronze challenge, your question is, can you convert these measurements into litres and millilitres? So you've got your milliliter measurements and you need to change them into litres and millilitres, okay? So you can go back to that part of this video if you're struggling. Your silver challenge, can you convert this list of measurements from litres and millilitres to just millilitres? So you've got 5 litres and 200 millilitres. If that was all just in millilitres, what measurement would it be? Gold, you've got a mixture of the two, okay? And then platinum, you've got 2 questions where you've got to explain your answers, okay? So read them very carefully and then have a go. If you are struggling with any of this, just let me or Mrs. Edwards know. We are available all day for you to speak to, and we can give you a ring if you need to for us to help you. I hope you enjoy your challenges, and I will see you soon.